everyone! So, I'm a little bit late to the video, as I've seen several people have been posting about Jazzas Jazzy art books. I've had mine for a little while, and I guess I should have just made a video whenever I was thinking about making a video. But, you know, better late than never. So, I got Jazzas Jazzy art box, and honestly, as soon as I got it, I had to open it like right then. So, it's not going to be like a proper unboxing, and you guys probably know everything that's in it already by now. But here's the face, and then everything that's inside. So let's go ahead and I will resituate the camera and we will dig in. And then I am going to use Jazzas app. And I'm going to use these materials and I'm going to see what I can make using all 100% Jazzas stuff. So I'm excited, and I feel like that makes it a little bit more unique. I don't think anyone's done that yet. And if they have, oh well, I guess I'm doing it anyways. Anyways, guys, so continue watching. Make sure you hit a like if you enjoy videos like this, unboxing videos, or me in the videos, because there's not very many of those. And subscribe for more content. I do just about everything. And yeah, so let's continue to the video. Alright guys, so here's the inside of the box. It's not as pretty as whenever it arrived. It was all, you know, sorted and put in here. But like I said, I could not wait. I got some Faber-Castell, however you pronounce that. 12 color pencil polychromos. And I'm not much of a colored pencil artist, but I have wanted to try these for forever, because I've tried all of the other, like, not all, obviously. I haven't tried all of them, but I've tried Prismacolors, and honestly, I know I'm going to be, like, shunned for saying this, I just don't really see what's so special about them. These are oil-based, which makes me very curious, because I know they should blend so much smoother, and that's always my problem, is I can never get colored pencils to blend as magically as others. I may just not have the magic touch, and I'm fine with that, but I am so excited to try these out. And it came with this beautiful pencil case. That is just a nice material. Let me get my camera plugged in, sorry guys. It's going to die. That wouldn't be good. Here we go. Now, I actually have one of these, except much larger. So, I have the double-sided one, and I just got my, I actually have my Prismacolor pencils inside there. And then on the other side, because like I said, there's two sides, I got all my pencils, and then it goes on to charcoal, and then it goes on to some of my darker colored pencils. And then just rainbow order, you know, I'm that way. Okay. So, yep, that is my pencil case, but you can never have enough pencil cases as an artist, that is for sure. And this is the nice, lovely material. It's actually pretty similar, but I love this color so much more. Now, I have to rewatch Jazz's video to remember how he separated everything, because I really liked how he did his. But It came with this, is it Tombow? I think, a Japanese calligraphy pen. And it has just a nice tip. If my camera would just allow it to focus. Yeah. My cameras seem to never like to focus. A dust-free Faber-Castell eraser. And it came with a set of 4 of these lovely fine liner graphics pens. This one is the brush tip. And then it also comes with a 0.2, 0.4, and 0.8. And then another pen, which is another Tombow, which is a water base with a very large brush tip on this side, and then just a normal pen tip on this side. And I've been wanting, because everyone always says that white gel pens are like the best for highlights. So there's a beautiful Uniball Signo Broad white gel pen. The most professional looking mechanical pencil I have literally ever seen. It's got a nice little hidden eraser, so it looks just like a pen, but it's amazing. And then there is a Prismacolor Colorase in blue, which I know that Jazzy uses for his sketches, so that's what we will be using that for today. There's those. And then this beautiful Nostalgia sketchbook, which it's hardcover, and it has 80 pages. It's just very nice. It is not pure white. It might look pure white in the camera. It's like a nice eggshell white. And we will also be using that today. This is the main reason that I absolutely had to get this set, is because of Draw with Jazzas special edition Illustrator pens, or markers, sorry. I have not opened these up yet. I will be using them in my art today, and I have seen him use it in a video to show that he put everything in there that you could possibly need. And it's just, I don't know, it's so awesome. Smart art. And of course, it comes with some blending cards so that you can try your blending skills. I might try a couple of those. And just the list of what you got. A beautiful Draw with Jazza bookmarker, which is awesome. And then finally a print that Jazza made special for the box and sent out with everyone. And I cannot wait to frame it. But for now, it's staying in the box. And just so it can stay safe. Alright, and that would be everything. So, let's see. If you're not familiar, Jazza has an app called Arty Games, and I own it. And so I will be using that today to make something. It'll be a challenge video. I wasn't sure exactly what to draw, but this is a great, I think this is a great way to get ideas. That's the whole point of the app. Plus, it is Jazza related, and so this whole video is all about Jazza. Now, this is a blending card, so I'm gonna try a little bit of blending. See if I can get a better angle. Okay. I am not very familiar with pens or markers. I'm so sorry, I keep calling them pens. I'm not familiar with markers at all. So, I have no idea how this will go. And this might be a horrible, horrible fail. Please don't judge me. From what I know from Jazza, you swap back and forth. Does that look like a blend to you? I'm not sure. Yeah, that's not too bad. There's also a colorless blender. Let's see how that works. Just kind of go over the center. Blend that together. Yes. Yeah, I think that looks pretty blended. Let's see if we can do... I'm staying with some easy colors until I kind of get used to it, guys. We'll do another yellow blend. And alright, well, again, not the best blends in the world. I am very much a beginner whenever it comes to using any type of markers at all. The only markers that I even have, and I've even attempted to use, are a little tiny set of chameleons. Back whenever I started watching Jazza, and I was like, oh my god, I want to be able to do that. And these they're a really cheap option, and I know that Jazza didn't really like them because they're really bulky. But I didn't mind that so much, so I don't know. I thought they were a good option. And then I also, before Jazza went and made a video about it, I also got New Touch, an 80 piece. This was like super cheap, and my boyfriend decided to get it for my birthday. Unfortunately, if you guys ever want to buy it, like, they look super professional, and like you would totally believe that they are Prismacolor. No? What is the those fancy markers that I can never remember the name of. But, yeah, so you would totally believe that, but whenever you get them, I cannot tell you how many of them I got that were bone dry. Like, I'm not even exaggerating. there was absolutely no ink in it whatsoever, and that was really upsetting. Alright, so I am about to sharpen this Prismacolor blue pencil so that we can do our sketch of whatever I end up doing on Artie's app. Now, unfortunately, I am not that technologically advanced, and I have no idea how to record my phone screen, so I might just try and have it down in the bottom corner or upper corner or something, so you can kind of understand what I'm doing, or I might just show you a glimpse of what it tells me that it wants me to do. Or I'll just read it aloud. Whatever. There we go. Oh, dang it. I broke it, guys. Sorry, gotta sharpen more. So, I haven't used, I'll be honest, I bought the Artie Games app, and I'm more of a painter than a drawer, which, I mean, there is paint options in there, but I haven't really used this app very much, so if you guys end up enjoying this video, maybe I can try out a couple other Artie app things. Okay. Let me get this app going. Doing unlimited time because this is not a time challenge. I am already not that good. I do not need that more. I don't need more of a challenge. I am going to do a character challenge though. So we'll do that. We'll go ahead and there it is. Let's do character challenge. Come on, go. All right. Oh my gosh. Okay, so these are some of the most crazy prompts I've ever read. I may have went through a couple because I don't even know how to do that. But there's this one, which is a sultry magician that is writing down ideas who has a lasso. And where that might not be difficult for some people, I just have no idea even. I just have no idea. Okay, but I'm gonna try it anyways. So you guys can see. That is my prompt. And we'll see how this goes. I don't know. I don't know, guys. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I am so out of my element. And I'm sorry if this video is boring for you guys. I'm gonna try. So, a sultry magician. I don't even... No, that's a wizard. I was gonna say I can go old style magician, but I'm thinking of wizard. Why can't I not even think of a magician? Ah, top hat. Yeah. Okay. Let's see. He has to be writing something, so he needs, like, a desk. So that's a desk, if you guys were unaware. Apparently that is how I draw a desk. I don't know, guys. I guess I just need to stop talking and just focus more. I have not done a proper drawing project in forever, it seems. Okay, so there's gonna be a notebook on the table. He's gonna be writing in it. I don't know how, like, he's gonna have to be looking down, right? How am I supposed to capture a sultry look if he's not even looking towards us? I don't know, guys. I might just skip the first part of the prompt. I'm sorry. So it's going to be a magician that's writing down ideas who has a lasso. Okay. He's very happy. Oh, goodness. Should I have a beard? Do magicians have beards, or do I keep confusing it with, like, wizards? I mean, I guess anyone can have a beard. God, he's... Okay, there's something wrong with his face. What am I doing? God. Oh my goodness. Guys, I feel like I've never drawn in my life. What's wrong with me? Okay, I need some erase. So let's break out this eraser. I might have to do another drawing, guys. I don't know, this video is already taking so long. I might just have to do one later. Oh, sorry. I hate hands, guys. I hate them so much. Okay, so this is the lasso. Alright, guys. Now, good thing is that I hate this drawing. And the reason that's good is because if I ruin it with my terrible skills, with the markers, it's not gonna faze me any. And I'm so sorry that you guys, like, I thought it was a great idea, but I didn't realize how little time I actually have spent drawing recently, and so I had no idea it was gonna turn out so bad. I'm so sorry. I will not blame you if you dislike this video. I clearly need more practice. If you are new to this channel and this is your first video, please don't judge me on my drawing skills. I used to draw so much whenever I was little, but I really have broke away from that. I am much more of an acrylic painter artist. I mean, I do a lot of other things too. But the majority of what I do anymore is painting. I might have to get back into drawing. I've been drawing all my life. I never realized that I could lose it. I guess. It actually makes me really sad. Okay. Well, that is my magician that is writing down ideas, who also has a lasso. So oh my goodness. Okay. So, you know what? He's just gonna be wearing a mask. Because I screwed up. Oh my goodness. Totally screwed up. But it's fine. Ah. God, guys. I'm a mess. Alright. And because I've already ruined it, I'm gonna also have like this just random backlight. Yep. Oh. Oh, I can't even do that right, guys. Oh my god. Okay, guys. So, my magician, that looks like a child's drawing, is finally finished. I gotta say, the only thing that I really feel like is even remotely okay is the cape. And even that is not great, so next time I will be trying my hand at the colored pencils, and hopefully I'll get a prompt that I might be more familiar with. Oh, I guess I should do the highlights, shouldn't I? highlights. Oh. Okay, guys. So, sadly, I tried. Sadly. But this is the result. And I'm so sorry I made you guys sit through an entire video to see this. I was hoping that maybe I'd be able to pull off something to anything that would make it look at least okay. But yeah. This is probably my worst drawing I've ever made. That being said, still, if you enjoyed this type of video, because it's totally different and out of my comfort zone, leave me a like. Don't be too hateful down in the comments, but if there's a little hate, honestly, I don't blame you. Yeah, so that is Jazzas Jazzy Art Box. Again, do not let my skills have any judgment towards the box, because the box is wonderful. It is 100% new, all of these supplies I am totally unfamiliar with. I just thought I could try it, and obviously I tried, but oh my god, I hate it so much. Anyways, guys, I will see you guys in the next video. I look forward to trying this again and hopefully succeeding and not having to submit a fail. But let's be honest, it's very likely to happen again. Alright guys, I'll see you guys later. Bye.